Amber's Fashion Show, March 1st, 2012. The first bag. What store is that from?
They're from Kohl's.
Kohl's. What you got? Hold it up. Ooh, nice. Beautiful.
Comes with like little pieces of scrap string, like I'm gonna, you know, if I get a snag or a hole in it, like I'm gonna sit and
mend it back.
Replace it or something.
That's awesome.
Originally it was $56. We got it for $11.20.
Yeah, shake it.
Okay.
Oh, that's nice.
Originally.
Really? My battery's gonna die? Really? Just started my movie. My battery's gonna die.
Originally $64. We got it for $12.80.
And cut.
We ready?
We're ready. Part 2 of the shopping trip. Very nice.
There's a maternity top from Oh Baby by Motherhood.
Oh Baby.
All of these were maternity stuff. Originally $46. We got it for $13.80.
Score!
Ka-ching!
Cha-ching!
Okay.
Next bag.
I think this is MJM Shoes.
Nice. Shoe store.
Most important is your socks.
Oh yes. Super cool.
I got some boots.
Nice. Very nice.
Let's see, originally $69. Got them for $19.
Woo! Score. Cha-ching!
You got tennis shoes.
Nice.
Little Reebok tennis shoes.
Ooh.
My white
Nice.
wedges.
What are those?
Originally $49. Got them for $24.
Cha-ching!
We paid full price for anything that we got today. Pair of green ones. Originally $39. Got them for $19.
Cha-ching!
And this is from Burlington.
Oh.
Where I got my black shoes.
Finally. Very nice.
These were $16.99.
Very nice.
That's a sale already, and they weren't even on sale, but that's a pretty good deal. Got this little dress.
Nice.
$9.99.
What a deal.
I got this. I guess this could be a dress
Very
or a
nice.
top. It's very stretchy. And it was only $9.99.
Woohoo. Cha-ching.
This dress is $14.99. And this is what I was talking about.
Oh yeah, that's a good match.
Those shoes will go with
Oh yeah.
this dress. And I got this brown one.
Nice.
Originally $16.99. Got it for $7.98.
Score. Cha-ching.
Not the cutest, but I don't
Very
think I'll
nice.
care
I
when I
like
bring
it.
that. I think that's it.
Is that it?
Oh. Can't forget the Goodwill, of course.
Oh yes. Very nice. $4.
Top.
Very nice.
For $4. That's it.
Is that it?
Everything else is Dollar Tree.
Okay. And cut.